How to download Remedy device data and save pre and post parameter settings PDF files on Remedy Model 1001. How to download Remedy device data and save pre and post parameter settings on Remedy Model 1001. During a routine follow-up, two critical steps involve verifying the correct data download and preserving PDF files containing parameter settings. Therefore, it is crucial to know how to properly download Remedy device data and save pre and post parameter settings PDF files on Remedy Model 1001. After the initial interrogation, these steps appear in the routine follow-up window. Step 2 and 8 focus on saving parameter PDFs and downloading the log and wave data. To save a pre-parameter settings PDF, click on the print icon located under Step 2. Choose Print from the top left-hand corner. Selecting Print will prompt you to save the file as a PDF. Click OK on the print screen. Rename the file to your preferred name. The file name may vary depending on the account, but ensure it includes at least the following: device serial number, and the date of the interrogation. Then proceed to OK. Adjacent to the print icon, you'll find the Save icon. Click on the Save icon to download both log and wave data. Upon selecting Save, the data download will commence automatically. The initial download process typically takes around 6 minutes, providing time to check in with the patient. To ensure the data was downloaded correctly, confirm one of two indicators. On the wave and log data screen, you should see Completed to the bottom left of the progress bar, and Get Wave Data OK and Get Log Data OK in the History tab. Once these confirmations are in place, you can proceed with the routine follow-up checklist. For further guidance, please consult the routine follow-up window. Before moving on to step number 8, ensure that final parameter settings are confirmed. The most effective approach is to review all parameter tabs to avoid overlooking any details. Once all final programming changes have been made, select Program to lock in the parameter set adjustments. Then proceed to the print icon in step number 8. Clicking on the print icon will save the PDF file containing the post parameter settings. The steps mirror that of step number 2 on the checklist, with the addition of labeling the file as post when renaming it. Navigate to the Save icon in step number 8. This process has a shorter saving time and will store the data specific to this routine follow-up. However, the confirmation process for saving the data remains the same as in step number 2. It will say Completed on the bottom left of the progress bar and confirm Wave Data OK and Log Data OK in the History tab. Lastly, the zip icon. This feature aids in electronically transferring stored device, wave, and log data by compressing the files into a single zip folder. When selecting zip, users will be prompted to choose a location to save the compressed file. The file name will automatically correspond with the date of compression and also state device serial number, but can be edited by the user if necessary. For transferring these files to a USB stick, please refer to the video titled How to Save Remedy PDF Files to a USB Stick. These steps have outlined the proper procedure for downloading Remedy device data and saving parameter settings PDF files on a Remedy Model 1001.